hydraulic machine slowing down? To fix this problem permanently, you must first understand a core engineering principle. In a hydraulic system, pressure creates force, but flow creates speed. If your machine is losing speed, you are undoubtedly losing oil flow. To troubleshoot this, we only need to verify two main things. Number one, is the pump delivering the correct flow? Or, number two, is that exact oil bypassing through an internal leak? But listen closely. Before you touch any component, you must study the hydraulic schematic diagram. You have to understand exactly where the fluid is supposed to travel. Many things can cause a machine to slow down, but today we are going to break down the top 5 reasons. Let's look at them one by one. But listen closely. Before you check anything else, you must inspect the main oil filter. If your pump is making an unusual noise and the hydraulic oil is overheating, your filter is likely clogged. A blocked filter starves the pump of oil and it directly kills your machine's speed. Always verify the filter condition before moving to more complex steps. Number 1. Low motor RPM. Always check this first. If the electric motor or engine driving your pump drops in speed, your oil flow will automatically drop with it. The entire machine will slow down. Number 2. Pump wear and slip. When a pump gets worn out internally, it can't push the oil forward. Instead, the oil slips backward inside the pump. You will notice the machine slowing down as it gets hot. You might hear strange noises, and the pump itself will become extremely hot to the touch. Here is a highly practical test. If you don't have an expensive flow meter, simply connect the pump to an isolated, separate cylinder. Measure the exact cycle time it takes for that cylinder to fully extend. By comparing this time, you can easily and accurately prove if the pump is providing the correct flow rate. Number 3. Heat and internal valve leaks. As the machine works, the oil heats up. Its viscosity drops and it becomes incredibly thin, almost like water. When the oil is this thin, it easily shoots through tiny clearances inside your valves. This creates massive internal leaks and kills your speed. Pay special attention to your relief valves. If the internal spring gets weak or if microscopic dirt particles jam it open, oil will bypass directly to the tank before the system ever reaches maximum pressure. Number 4. Internal cylinder leaks. The absolute most accurate way to confirm a leaking cylinder is the end of stroke test. But warning, high-pressure fluid is deadly. Before you test anything, follow strict lockout tagout procedures. Shut the machine down completely. Cycle your control levers back and forth to relieve any trapped residual pressure. And always wear your proper PPE. Here is exactly how you perform the test. First, fully stroke the cylinder to one end. After the machine pressure is completely released, very carefully disconnect the return line. That is the hose on the opposite side of the pressure. Next, restart the machine. Apply pressure to the exact same direction you did before. Since the cylinder is already at the end of its stroke, it cannot move. But if you see oil continuously flowing out of the open port into your container, it is absolutely confirmed. Your piston seals are completely destroyed and you have a massive internal leak. Number 5. Pilot line failures. In complex systems, even a tiny micro-leak in the pilot lines can destroy your signal pressure. The system gets confused. The main process is starved of oil, and the entire machine slows to a crawl. Now, what if you don't want to dismantle the system? Here are 3 highly practical methods to detect internal leaks from the outside. Method 1. Tank line inspection. While the machine is operating, carefully observe the tank return lines. If oil is flowing back to the tank through a line that is supposed to be blocked, you undoubtedly have an internal valve failure. Method 2. The heat test. When high-pressure oil squeezes through a tiny leak, it creates massive fluid friction. This generates extreme localized heat. By tracking down that unusual hotspot, you can pinpoint the exact location of the failure. Method 3. The stethoscope trick. Take a standard screwdriver, place the solid metal tip directly against a suspect valve, and press your ear against the handle. If there is a high-pressure leak inside, you will hear the oil hissing loud and clear. By following these elite steps, you can easily diagnose exactly why your machine is losing speed. To look beyond the visible and build true engineering intuition, subscribe to the eMind channel today. If you found this technical masterclass valuable, hit the like button and share it with your team. Stay focused and stay technical.